If you could have one guest on All the Smoke, who would it be? But you have to help us get your answer on the show.
But
Zeke. Good.
who?
Zeke. He know who Zeke is.
Detroit's West Side got some much-needed supplies this afternoon.
Yeah, the group New Era Detroit walked through neighborhoods, passing out food, water, other resources to boost communities during this pandemic. Former Detroit Piston Rasheed Wallace was out there to help.
We up here in Flint, we haven't forgot about the people. We still up here today, we passing out water, we passing out school supplies, book bags, things that the kids need, things that the people need. We're going door to door. We're not worried about no cameras, we're not worried about the news being here or, any of the pop magazines or whatever. No, it's all about real, it's all about the people. It's all about things for us. We gotta do for ourselves so then that way we can do for ourselves.
Shout out to She, man. He always out there for the people of Flint, man. Can't say enough about him.
Now we gotta go back, get a refill. We should be good. This gentleman right here that I'm about to introduce y'all to, I seen him when I went up to Flint. Him and his organization, New Era Detroit. I went up to Flint to pass out water and resources to the people up there, to our brothers and sisters who needed it. And who did I see walking down the street as well, passing out resources to our brothers and sisters? My man Zeke.
Man, we got brothers and sisters from all around the country, from all walks, out here today with us building, man. We about to do what we do. If anybody who don't know about New Era Detroit, you gonna learn today.